We built CrossPool Exchange to serve the needs of professional investors to originate, list, and trade digital asset-backed securities, as well as other crypto assets. We are unique because not only users can trade the tokens listed on our own exchange, but also we provide connectivity to other exchanges, hence bringing liquidity to a centralized venue. On top of that, our token provides access beyond our own ecosystem and can offer users access to public blockchains. One of the core components of CrossPool is our distributed ledger, and this will be built with a built-in secure distributed storage system. I will now take a couple of minutes to show you how the system works. Imagine you have a piece of Picasso paintings that you want to tokenize. What you have to do is simply register with our platform, where you will go through the KYC process. At the same time, we will also conduct checking of all the relevant asset ownership certificates and other required legal documents. Once this is completed, a user account will be created on the CrossPool distributed ledger. Then the KYC and other legal documents are saved into the secure distributed storage. After this stage, CrossPool issues tokens, which represents the ownership of the underlying assets. Going back to our example of the paintings, imagine we issue 100 tokens, then each token holders will earn 1% of the painting. If the price of the painting goes up by 1%, then all the owners benefit from such increase in appreciation. The tokens are represented as smart contracts on the distributed ledger. This process here is what we call origination. Now we have tokenized a real-world asset. How do we make it easy for people to trade on such tokens? We can then list them on the CrossPool exchange market. Once it is listed, it becomes available for people to trade. Our target users are professional traders, investment managers, or token brokers. In order to trade, these people also need to register with CrossPool and go through the KYC processes. We then create and store on the distributed ledger using steps as previously described. Users can now send orders to CrossPool, either to trade on the CrossPool listed asset tokens or cryptocurrencies. Let's say the orders they submitted matched. The post-trade clearing processes will take place on the distributed ledger, and trades will be settled immediately. On the other hand, if the users want to trade on tokens that are not listed on the CrossPool exchange, then we will utilize smart ordering algorithm to place an order at one of our connected exchanges. Users can also trade beyond our CrossPool system. In such case, we will switch our CrossPool utility tokens to a public tokens such as ERC20 by a mechanism of one-to-one pegging.